A mathematician discovered a loophole in the lottery and won over $135 million. I will share his story in today's episode about lotteries. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for this video. The story unfolds in a small town called Ford. Here, the mathematician stumbled upon a lottery game named Full House, which dramatically changed his life. After reading the lottery rules, he quickly realized there was a significant winning potential. This lottery, similar to the Mega Millions, required choosing 6 numbers out of 49. The catch was in the lottery's accumulation rule. Once the prize reached $5 million, someone would win, even without matching all 3 numbers. The mathematician did some calculations and found that the value reached $5 million every 3 months. By investing around $1,000, he could double his investment. He shared this strategy with friends, and they started pooling their resources to win the lottery, all within the game's rules. Interestingly, no one else had thought of this before. They continued to invest more whenever the lottery paid out the non-accumulating prize, nearly doubling their money each time. Eventually, the state of Michigan closed this loophole, but the mathematician found a similar lottery in another American state and repeated his strategy. Over time, the couple saved more than 18 million tickets, leading to an audit. 7 years after their first bet, the Boston Globe revealed that only 2 groups were primarily winning. One of these was led by Jefferson, a math-savvy individual from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. After the revelation, an investigation concluded that no illegality was involved, but the rules were changed subsequently. Now, let's talk about the feasibility of this strategy today. In the megabucks, for instance, the prize for getting 11 numbers right is significantly lower than what would make this strategy profitable. However, during the 2016 Powerball, a unique situation occurred. 10 winners shared over $8 million each. The strategy here was to make all 2 million possible bets, costing $4 million each, a profitable move since the prize was $2 million. However, this would be risky if many people used the same tactic, as the prize would be split among more winners. So, stay tuned for more insights, and if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.